In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish your first blog post with Hostinger Website Builder. We'll start inside Hostinger Website Builder. Open it and either create a fresh website or open the project you want to blog on. The process is identical for a new site or an existing one, so choose the project that makes the most sense for you. Next, enable the blog feature inside the builder. You'll find the blog option in the builder's controls. Turn it on, and the builder will add a blog page and unlock the tools you need to write and organize posts. This switch is important because it activates all the blogging sections you'll use in the next steps. With the blog enabled, open the blog management panel from the left side. This panel is your command center. It lists your posts, drafts, and helpful settings so you can quickly navigate what you're working on. Click Add New Post to start your first blog post. The editor opens with fields for all the essential details. Begin by entering a clear blog title that tells readers what they'll learn. Add a concise description. This short summary often appears on your blog listing and can help readers decide to click. Set the author name to give proper credit and build trust. Then write your main content. Break it into sections with headings and short paragraphs to keep it readable, and make sure your tone matches your site's style. If your topic benefits from visuals, add images or other content blocks as needed. Drag in high-quality images, keep file sizes reasonable so pages load quickly, and include descriptive alt text to make your content accessible. You can also insert quotes or dividers to create a clear rhythm on the page and highlight key points. When you've finished writing, review the blog layout and make sure the blog page appears correctly across your site. Use the preview to scan the post on desktop and mobile. Check spacing, heading sizes, and how featured images crop in the list view. Test links and make sure buttons and text are easy to read. Finally, publish the website so the blog becomes live. Click Publish, confirm your domain or temporary URL, and wait for the changes to go through. Visit your live blog page to verify everything looks and functions as expected. That's it. You've enabled the blog, written a polished first post, and published your site using Hostinger Website Builder.